Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to show you guys how I applied and even jazzed up these $2 Shein stiletto press-on nails. So let's get into it. So this is my first time wearing stiletto nails, so I'm really excited about trying out a new nail shape. Normally I go for a coffin or a square, but we doing a stiletto today. But before we apply these nails, I am prepping my natural nails, and I am just clipping my natural nails down because they grow out real quick. And these nails came with a small cuticle pusher and that pink nail file that you see there. And I am just using the cuticle pusher to gently push back my cuticles. I don't really have to clip my cuticles much because they don't get that far out of hand. They just needed to be pushed back a little bit. And I'm not done with prepping yet. I just wanted to size my nails real quick. So I'm just sizing my nails, making sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. Making sure you pick the right size nails for your fingers is very crucial to how long your nails will last. So make sure you're picking the right size press-on nails that fit your natural nails really well. And if you need to shave them or shape them a little bit, you can do that also. So now that I have my sizes picked out, the next thing I'm going to do is just use the nail file that came with the press-on nails and gently file down that shiny layer from the top of my natural nails. This step is very crucial as well when it comes to prepping your nails so that the glue sticks better to a roughened surface versus a smooth, shiny surface, and your nails will last longer. So next I'm just cleaning up my natural nails and dehydrating them a little bit more with an alcohol pad. And then next I'm going to use my Model 1's nail primer just to prime my nails. This will also help your press-on nails stick better and last long as well. And next I'm going to grab my e-file, put it on a low setting. As you can see, it's only about 2 or 3 notches, and I'm going to file the underside of the press-on nail so that it also has a roughened surface so that the glue will stick better to the press-on, which will stick better to the roughened surface of my natural nail so that they do not come off easily and they last long. And you don't have to file the entire length of the press-on nail, only where your natural fingernail will be at, so only about half of the nail. And the glue that I'm going to be using to apply these nails is my LA Colors Rapid Dry Nail Glue. This nail glue has never failed me. My nails always last a week or more when I apply them with this nail glue. So I'm just applying the nail glue all over my natural nail, making sure I have a nice bubble of glue so that the nail will stick really well to my natural nail. I'm lining that press-on nail up with the cuticle of my natural nail, and I'm going to press and hold for 30 seconds. And as you can see, I sized this press-on nail with my natural thumbnail really well because it fits very good from sidewall to sidewall. It's not overlapping over onto my skin or anything, and it feels really good. So after about 10 or 15 seconds of holding it down, I do make sure I squeeze the side walls to make sure they are also pressed down really well as well. And just like that, the nail is on and it's looking good, and I'm super excited to apply the rest of them now. So as you guys know, I have on press-on toenails right now, and they happen to have chocolate dripping from them. So I was like, this Shein set matches perfectly with the Temu press-on toenails that I have on because they also have the chocolate dripping. So I just put together a whole set. Not purposely, it was on accident. I actually had the Shein nails first, and then I got my order from Temu, And after I applied the press-on toenails and I took off the previous set I had, I was like, what set am I gonna do next? So I started going through my press-on nail drawer, and when I saw those, I was like, these match perfectly with my toes. So I think it's really cool how that worked out like that. The chocolate dripping on my toes, and then I got the chocolate dripping on my nails, and I got them from 2 different places. So I have applied the last nail on my pinky, and this is how the nails are looking, and they look so cute. But of course we are not done yet. I am going to add some bling to these press-on nails, and y'all know how me and this tweezer and these rhinestones be having beef, but I'm getting better at it, y'all. But before I start blinging these nails out, I am just using the nail file that came with the press-on nails to sharpen the tips of the nails a little bit more. So now let's start applying these rhinestones. So I'm also using the LA Colors Rapid Dry nail glue to apply these rhinestones. I could have used like a rhinestone glue. I do have some, or I do have like a thick gel glue, but since these stones are so small, I don't feel like using a thick gel glue was necessary. And plus, I didn't want to have to cure the glue under the light. I just wanted it to be like a smooth, quick process. And since the top on this glue is like a glue drop, all I have to do is put a drop of glue and then pick up my stone with the tweezer and drop that rhinestone right where I'm placing the glue, which is a simpler process for me. And y'all know the struggle be real with me trying to pick these rhinestones up with these tweezers. The rhinestones be flying from me trying to pick them up, and it just be a mess. Okay, so I gotta give a shout out to one of my subscribers that commented on the last video that I placed rhinestones on my nails. She said, I think the tweezers would work better if you turned it around using the curved / straight side to pick up the rhinestones. And she was absolutely right. So thank you for that tip. As you can see, I am applying them the way that you suggested, and the process was much easier. So thank you, Native Rainbow, for that tip, and thank you for watching and subscribing and helping me out so I could help y'all out, and we just helping each other out. That's what the Choc Nation is all about, and I am so here for it. I love it when y'all comment and suggest things to me because y'all be putting me up on game. I'm not one of those know-it-all people that think they just know it all and they got all the tools and the keys to everything. So it's appreciated when y'all comment, even if y'all do things different or you may disagree with something that I'm doing. I don't never, take offense or be offended by it. I love it. So let me know y'all thoughts. I always want to know y'all thoughts and y'all perspective on things as well. And I'ma always shout y'all out and give y'all that recognition. It's very much appreciated and celebrated over here. By the way, we are almost at 900 subscribers. OMG. This has been such a great journey, and I am enjoying it with you guys. So thank you so much for almost 900 subscribers. And of course, another giveaway is coming soon. When I reach 900 subscribers, I am definitely doing another giveaway. I do a giveaway with every 100 subscribers that I reach, just to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. So back to the video. I am about to put a top coat on my nails. And of course, I'm using my Model 1's top coat. It's my favorite top coat to use. And I got my big nail lamp out because I'm going to cure all my nails at the same time. So I'm going to apply one top coat to all the nails. And then I'm going to cure that first top coat for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to apply a second top coat and cure it for another 60 seconds. The top coat gives your press-ons that salon quality finish with the shine, and it also gives it an extra layer of thickness for more durability so that they don't bend or chip or break easily. And let me just say, these nails are very sturdy. They're not thin. They do not bend easily or break easily. They have a nice curve to them that kind of conforms to your natural nails. Once you apply that glue, it's a nice suction to my natural nails. So these nails are really good quality for the price, especially because they're only $2. So the next thing I'm gonna do is apply my Blossom cuticle oil all around my cuticles, and we're gonna rub that oil into our cuticles as well. And I'm also gonna moisturize my hands with some lotion so that they don't be dry. Of course, we can't be having no dry hands with some cute nails. And then I'm gonna apply my rings because y'all know I love my rings and my nails together. And I got these rings from Temu, and I love them. They just make the nails pop, and nails and rings just go together. And these nails came out so good. And now I got some chocolate dripping nails to match my chocolate dripping toes, and I got a whole set going on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you like, comment, and if you have not already subscribed and you're viewing this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You are going to love it here. I got some good content coming up, and I'm also doing a giveaway soon, so you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping. Check the link in the description of this video for these nails, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.